Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lulila. Another episode in the kitchen. And kakagawa ko lang ng papaya shake. So, ang gagawin ko today is the banana and strawberry shake or banana-strawberry smoothie. Actually, ang balak ko talagang gawin is just banana milkshake. Kaso nung nakita ko na marami ng bunga yung strawberry na hinog, kaya nilagyan ko na lang ng strawberry. So, all you need to do is to wash the fruits, slice it, and put it in a bag, then freeze them. Kasi ito yung magsiserve na ice. No need to add ice. So, frozen na po yung mga fruits natin, and it's time for us to do the milkshake or to make smoothie. So I have here lots of bananas. No need to add sugar kasi matamis na yung banana, di ba? But kung gusto nyo pa nilagyan ng sugar, pwede rin yung lagyan. But for me, 3 ingredient milkshake lang ito. Cold milk, sliced frozen bananas, and frozen strawberries. Diba mas healthy siya na drink, wala siyang sugar added, at saka fresh fruits lang ang gamit. Kung ayaw niyo ng milk, ng whole milk, pwede nyo i-substitute ng soya milk or skim milk, non-fat milk, almond milk, oatmeal milk, depende sa inyo. So, ito na po yung finished product. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and it's very simple but very delicious. See you on our next episodes. Thank you. Bye.